Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to export transactions in Rocket Money. So actually guys, you can export your transactions history from this app as a CSV file, which you can open in spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for analysis or record keeping. So actually guys, as first you will need to open the app. So just open the Rocket Money app and then go to the transactions tab. So actually you can't see it on my screen, and that's because my Capital One bank account is blocked currently, so I can't proceed to the dashboard, right? So I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So as first I said, you will need to go to the transactions tab and then just tap the menu icon that you can find at the upper right corner, and then select the CSV download and apply any filters such as a date range, account, or category. Then just tap on export. Right. Also, guys, you can download the exported file. So after requesting the exports, you can check your email for a message containing download file link. Open the email on a desktop or laptop if you want. So that depends on your preference. And then just click download file to save the CSV. So the exported CSV file can only be downloaded and viewed on a desktop or laptop. So it cannot be downloaded directly to a mobile device. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.